What's up YouTube, it's time to talk about this Samsung again, and Samsung has just announced two of its new devices, the Samsung Galaxy A51 and Samsung Galaxy A71 on an event in Vietnam which is held by Samsung. One of the surprising things in this event is the launch of Samsung Galaxy A71. Samsung has quietly announced Samsung Galaxy A71 in this event, as the device was previously rumored to be launched on next year in 2020, but Samsung announced it in 2019. In terms of design, both the devices are similar. Both have punch hole infinity O display, just like we have seen in Note 10 Plus. The screen design shows the future models launching in 2020 from Samsung will be holding a punch hole display on front of the device. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A71, its specifications and price. So if you are looking for Samsung Galaxy A51 video, you can check out my another video which I have uploaded 2 days earlier. So guys, before jumping into the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon as well so you can get notified for every new awesome video which I upload. Now let's move towards the Samsung Galaxy A71 specification. Now first look at the display of the device. We have a 6.7 inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with the screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel, and it is coming with the density of 393 ppi. With that, it is also coming with a front side protection and having a Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front of the device. This device is not providing the Gorilla Glass 5 protection in this, so this is a kind of a disappointing start for me. And because of AMOLED screen, in-display fingerprint scanner is also present inside the Galaxy A71. In terms of camera, the punch hole cutout holds a 32 megapixel selfie camera, while on the back side of the device we have a quad camera setup inside the square shaped camera bump. The main camera is of 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of dedicated micro lens, and a 5 megapixel of depth sensor. We have an LED flashlight on the back as well, and the back is made up of plastic. While the processor wise, Galaxy A71 holds a Snapdragon 730 octa-core processor with a GPU support of Adreno 618. Well, in terms of processor, I'm also disappointing here because right now Snapdragon has just announced their latest chipsets, the Snapdragon 765 and 765G, on their event in US. So Samsung should have provided these two chipsets inside the device, because the other companies like Xiaomi have provided these chipsets in their latest devices. And next is the software, and Android 10 with One UI 2 support is the software you will see in Galaxy A71. Moving on, and the next thing is the memory. There will be two variants which you will see on Samsung Galaxy A71 devices. One of them is 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. The other one is of 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. In terms of battery, we have a 4500 mAh of a battery support, which can charge by using 25 watt of fast charger, which is coming with the box inside Galaxy A71. Finally, if you talk about the price of this device has not yet been confirmed, but rumors are that the Samsung Galaxy 6GB 128GB variant will be of $546 and 8GB and 128GB variant will be of $610. Overall, if I talk about the Samsung Galaxy A71 device, while Samsung has just made a few changes from previous A70 model, you will see a difference in front screen and back camera. Other than that, you will see the same specification which are mentioned in Samsung Galaxy A70 are also present inside this device. Other than that, all other things are pretty much the same. What do you think of this device? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more like this video, hit the subscribe button as well. It will be a massive help from your side. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.